Children, now we are in the 12th lesson, Sant Kavi Kabir Das. There are many famous poets for the Hindi literature. One of the ancient poets is Kabir Das ji. And he was a Rama Bhakta and he was a disciple of Guru Ramanand. And whatever poem he has written, it is just in 2 lines. Doha. Doha is a 2-line poem and he has written the poems in 2 lines in Doha form. Okay. His poems are collectively called Kabir Ki Vani. Okay. Now we are going to see about him and 2 dohas written by him. Okay. He has written nearly 700 dohas. All are beautiful, giving lot of advices to people and about God, about moral things, everything. He's a great poet. See here, now the first stanza is giving an introduction. प्राचीन काल के प्रमुख कवियों में कबीर भी एक थे. प्राचीन काल means ancient time. In ancient time, प्रमुख means important. कवियों में कबीर भी एक थे. Kabir Das ji was also one among the important poets of ancient time. उनका जन्म काशी में हुआ था. He was born in काशी. वे पढ़े लिखे नहीं थे. He was not educated with the formal education. That is, he never went to school. He never knew how to read and write. But he made lot of doha and other poems and others used to write and keep it. Okay, he never went to school and he never had a formal education. उनके गुरु रामानंद थे. Who was his guru? Guru Ramanand was his guru. उनकी कवियों को कबीर की वाणी कहते हैं. So his kavita, the entire collection is called Kabir Ki Vani. Now, shall we go to the first doha? Guru Gobind dovu kade kaake lagu pai. All of you repeat it. Guru Gobind dovu kade काके लागू पाए. बलिहारी गुरु अपने गोविंद दियो बताए. बलिहारी गुरु अपने गोविंद दियो बताए. Guru means teacher, the spiritual teacher. Here it means the spiritual teacher, Guru. Govind means God. Dovu means dono, that is both. Balihari means sacrifice. What is he asking in this one? Kabir इस दोहे में गुरु का महत्व बताते हैं. He is telling about the importance of Guru, the spiritual Guru in this doha. उन्होंने कहा कि मेरे सामने गुरु और भगवान दोनों एक साथ खड़े होंगे तो पहले किसके पांव पड़ूं? He is asking, in front of me, suppose that Guru and God, both of them are standing. Whom should I salute first? Guru or God? Both are important, no? Whom should you salute first? He is asking. He himself is giving the answer. कबीर कहते हैं कि पहले गुरु के पांव पड़ना ही ठीक है, क्योंकि भगवान को पाने का रास्ता गुरु ही बताते हैं. What he is telling? First you have to salute. You have to salute before the Guru. उनको पाव पड़ना चाहिए. You have to salute only the Guru first. Why? भगवान को पाने का रास्ता गुरु ही बताते हैं. So Guru is the one who is showing you the God. He is telling you how to reach near Bhagwan. भगवान को पाना means to get the God or go near the God. उसका रास्ता बताते हैं. He is showing the way. Okay. Guru, Govind, dovu kade. That is Guru, the spiritual teacher. Govind, the Bhagavan. Dovu means dono, kade. Both of them are standing in front of you. काके लागू पाय. Who will you salute first? पाय means पैर. पैर पड़ना means to do नमस्कार. काके means किसको. किसको नमस्कार करोगे पहले? Who will you salute first? बलिहारी गुरु आपने. So first you have to salute only the Guru. Govind Diyo Bata. He is the one who showed you the God. Govind here means God, any God. Okay. Do you understand now? Yes.